Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about how to create Odoo conf file from the terminal. And to create the conf file from the terminal, either you can choose the terminal from the PyCharm or you can choose the general terminal in your system. Right now, I'll be going with the terminal in the PyCharm. So to create the Odoo conf file from the terminal, you just need to provide a command over here. I'll be pasting the command and you can see that the command is being given. From this, we can say that from the Odoo bin, we can say that this runs the Odoo server executable from the current directory, which is the Odoo 19. So as you just want here, you can see that currently we are in Odoo 19 and we'll be executing the Odoo 19 directory. And you can find that we have the -s and the save option over here. The saves all currently passed option into the conf file specified by -c, and without this, the settings would only apply for this only run and not be written anyway. So as we just want to apply these parameters into the conf, we need to specify the name of the conf over here. So here you can see that I have already created a directory called conf over here. And when we just create the Odoo conf file, that will be added over here. Okay. So let me just specify the path and under which you just need to create the file. So in this case, I just want to add this under the conf folder or under the conf directory. So I'll be setting the name over here as test.conf because we already have demo.conf file over here. As you just unfold this, you would be able to see that. Okay, so in this case, I would like to create test.conf. So inside the test.conf, I want to add the parameters such as the DB host as localhost, DB port as 5432, and DB user as Odoo 19.2, and DB password as Odoo 19.2, and the add-ons path is being given that which means I have provided the link over here, and will be choosing the -p 8019 that shortens for the HTTP port, and that sets the port Odoo's web server and will listen on or instead of default 8069. Now here you can find stop after init. This tells Odoo to shut down immediately after finishing initialization. That is, after saving the configuration, instead of starting the full server and waiting for request. So once it's done, you can click on enter and you can see that we just need to wait for a while in order to create the conf file over here. So here you can see that currently we have just done with it. And as you just unfold over here, you would be able to see that the conf file will be created over here. Now, if you just want to make use of this conf file, you can just get the conf file and you can just provide it under the script and use it. Now, in the created conf file from the terminal, you can also find that there are different parameters which have been added automatically. So we have only provided certain parameter that to include in the Odoo conf file. But when you just create a conf file from the terminal, some of the parameters such as the CSV, internal SEP, data direct, or the DB app name, as well as the DB Maxcon, DB Maxcon event. Like there are n number of parameters which have been added automatically. So these are some of the commonly used parameters while we set up the Odoo conf file. And if you just want to specify all this, you can just set it over here, or else you can just remove it from your conf file. Now let's see how can we just make use of this conf file. Okay, so for that you can just move on to the Odoo and choose edit configuration. So here you can see that currently we are running the odoo.conf file, and I'll be providing the path. Okay, so before setting this, I just need to get the path. So in order to get the path, you can choose Ctrl+Shift+C in order to get the absolute path, and you can just move on to the edit file over here, and I'll be make changes over here. Okay, so you can just paste it and you can see that currently we have just given the path, and let me click on apply and you can just re-run this. Okay, so once it's done, you can see that we are running the file, and everything will be taking place, and we are running on Cyber Arena 8019, right? So we can just move on to the browser and let's search for this, and you can see that will be directing to the database over here. So like this also you can create the Odoo conf file from the terminal, and you can just set it under the edit configuration and manage the databases. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.